Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to look at Linux Mint 21. This came out just after I looked at Linux Mint before. So let's check it out and see what we got. So here we go, we've got Linux Mint 21, brand new one. Came out about 2 weeks ago. Already with updates. So what we'll do is we'll get these running in the background and we'll carry on looking. So it comes with Firefox out the box, which is nice. So you get all the administrative stuff and your preferences, change your colors and themes. Not going to bother with that today. Showed that in the last one, so it's fine. So what do we get? Well, it's pretty bare bones out of the box, which is fine. I don't mind that. It's all good. So let's take a look at the software manager. That's not annoying. Might be my mouse actually. Maybe because I'm running all these. Okay, so we'll have a look around while that's doing that. Hopefully we can come back to that in a little while. So there we go. Linux Mint 21, Cinnamon version 548 and a kernel of 515. Now I know that there is a version 6 of the Linux kernel coming soon. So that should be good to take a look at. But apart from that, you know, it knows that I'm using my GeForce card, which is good. It's got my 16 gig of RAM. So that's all good. It knows that I'm using a 1080p. Excellent. Right, here we go. Okay. Am I really? I don't think I am. I think that's a load of rubbish. So, GIMP. Let that do its thing. Let's see if we can find Chrome. Yes, we can. About OBS Studio. Yeah, excellent. Again, no webcam on this PC. Really will do it one day. Got Wine, so you can use Windows apps if you really wanted to. Office, which is already installed. We've got Libra. I wonder what version that is. We can check that out. Let's have a think. What can we put on? Could put Kdenlive on. Handbrake. Discord is there as well. That's interesting. Shortcut. Non-linear editor. That'd be good to install. Kdenlive, of course. Again, one day I'll actually try that. VLC, always handy to have that installed. Audacity, of course. Slightly older version by the looks of it, 242, but that's fine. Don't mind that. God, I hate this mouse. Look at it. Ugly thing. Ugh. Okay, so while it's doing all of that, let's minimize that. See how those updates finished, have they? Okay, so it wants a reboot. That does not surprise me. Ah, look, it's running the built-in one. So we'd obviously go to that, which is fine. It will do that at its leisure. A lot of versions there, 515, 510, 470, 390. So we'd go 515. I wonder if that's finished installing everything. It probably has. Yeah, Caden Live, OBS, Audacity, Shotcut. So that's all there, VLC. Let's have a quick look at Libra. Writer. 7.3. So it is slightly older because I know that it's 7.4 now, isn't it? I can check that out quite easily. Oh no, 7.3 is the latest. All right, okay. So that's cool. I think that's all done. Let's close that. I have to say, Linux Mint, one of the easiest things to use. USB writer there. GIMP, yeah, super. Thunderbird. It's even actually going to work. There we go. Super. And of course, my favourite, Google Chrome. Yeah. Get on with it, man. Should also find that so in this video, what I'm going to be looking at is Kali Linux. It just refuses to boot. So we're going to give it a go today. So you'll see I'm at the very nice audio and everything. Excellent. So it needs a restart. Let's just quickly do that. Here we go, back in. So let's have a quick look at So there's our NVIDIA settings, system info. So let's see what driver it's using now. NVIDIA Corporation, there we go. So that's all good. So Linux Mint, the best distro, keeps getting better in my opinion. In all honesty, you know, you don't go wrong with Linux Mint. You really don't. It's just, it's pretty, it's easy to use, and a ton of software for it. So I'm assuming But now that this is on a later version, that Cinnamon is up to date as well. Should we have a quick look at that? I'm sure they've got a website. .549 is the latest. 549. And what have we got? 5.4.10. So we're actually higher up. Maybe it's a beta version. Maybe. It doesn't matter. It works and it's good. Very simple. I don't like that desktop background. That's better. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice. Okay. So there we go. Linux Mint gets better and better. Easy, straightforward, and up to date. Can't really go wrong, can you? Nice and easy. Could probably use this as my daily driver. I'm going to go. Don't need to be here anymore. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick look at Linux Mint 21. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell notification icon. It will let you know when I release new videos. And don't forget Discord, link in the description. And give me a comment and let me know what Linux distribution you're using, if you're using Linux. If you're using something else, let me know about that too. Be quite interested to take a look at them. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.